Hello young innovator and welcome to the Welding Challenge for Nourishing November. This is a quick, short and fun challenge. Let's get started by reading it together from the app. Innovators are experts at connecting two seemingly unrelated ideas to create something new, unique and useful. So here's a challenge for you, young innovator. If we asked you to combine a refrigerator and sunglasses, what new innovation can you come up with? What use can you put it to? What value can it add and for whom? But it's not just enough to come up with a high-level superficial idea. You need to think it through. We do not mean thinking about what's feasible and what's not. We mean thinking about the how, what, where, when, why, who of your innovation. So go for it. Your first worksheet is writing a clear and concise problem statement. Now, what will that look like for this challenge? Something along the lines of, I want to combine a refrigerator and sunglasses in a way that addresses a need in a new, unique, but meaningful way. All right? So how do we go about working on this challenge? Okay, the goal is to combine these two objects, these two ideas as they are to create something new and meaningful, right? But when you're looking at these objects, I want you to go a bit more deeper to think about their essence, their function, their purpose, and keep that in mind when you are combining the two to create something new. Alright, so what are the words that come to your mind when you think about the purpose, the function of a refrigerator and likewise of sunglasses, okay? So for example, words I would associate with a refrigerator could be cold, cool, food, food storage, what else, right? And for sunglasses, it could obviously be sun, eyes, protection, what else? So get started with brainstorming some ideas. Go beyond the first idea that jumps at you. So if you've gotten this far, well done on completing this challenge, and I'll see you next month.